How's it guys, Dwaine Pretorius here. Welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make up to 28% on an investment that is guaranteed, no risk at all. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to take you to my screen shortly. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends if you think that it can add value. But let me go and show you this amazing investment that we have all been taking for granted. Welcome to my screen, guys. Making 28% return is simple if you know where to look. And unfortunately, we're going to start off by looking at where it is, and it is putting that extra cash you have every month in your debt, guys. Unfortunately, that's what we're going to look at today. So what we're looking at today is a personal loan calculation, and stick with me here. I just want you to quickly have a look at the amount at the bottom here, 54,431. That's how much money you could have extra in your pocket if you just listen to how I'm going to explain this to you. Okay, so let's take this example. Okay, so option 1 gives us 1,000 Rand a month to invest, but we decided to invest that in the stocks instead of investing it in our debt. Option 2, we can invest 1,000 Rand into our debt. Which one do you think currently will be the best? So first of all, let's quickly have a look at the parameters here. Okay, so if we had a personal loan of 100,000 Rand, normally paid off within 5 years, 28% loan, it gives you interest per month of just shy of 2 or just over 2%. Your payment will be 3,131. If you take 1,000 Rand and you invest it for the 60 months at a 10% return, what you would be left with is, or what you would have earned on your investment is about 77,000 Rand. But on your personal loan, you would have paid 86,000 Rand worth of interest. So if you look at the net result of this investment in option 1, you would have actually lost 9,300 Rand. Okay, so if we shift over to option 2, same loan parameters, same payments, but what we're doing with our extra 1,000 Rand a month, we're going to put that into our debt. This will mean that we will pay off our debt within 37 months and not the 60 months. That means we'll have 23 months left to invest till we get to 60 months. Alright, so we've got a total of the payment amount because you don't have that anymore, and we put our extra cash with that, so that gives us 4,100 Rand to invest. We invest that over the 23 months that is left, and we take the same amount of return that we would have made if we just invested in the stock market of 10%. Our total investment value would be 103,000 Rand, and because we paid off our debt in 37 months, we would have only paid 49,000 Rand in interest. That means that if we take option 2, we would have made 54,000 Rand over this period, where in option 1 we would have lost close to 10,000 Rand. So guys, this just shows that it's so much more important to pay off your debt. Don't go and take that extra cash and invest it in the stock market until you've taken care of this debt. It is so important. So guys, I hope this has been helpful. If it has been, please share this with a friend that you think it could help. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you soon. Cheers guys.